There are so many uses for red wagons around the house, but looks like you found yet another one.
This is a great way to prolong the growing period for tomatoes and other plants.
Now, so you just roll them in and out. You don't even take them out of the wagon at all?
That's right. They just stay in the wagon, and during the daytime and wonderful sunshine hours and good weather, I just have them out here on the deck, and then at night I wheel them back into the garage.
Well, it looks like these tomatoes are doing great. Do you have to do anything different in anticipation of using the wagon? Anything different in terms of the planting?
Well, we want to make sure, first of all, that the pots are going to fit into the cart. And these tomato plants are just right on the edge of needing to be repotted because we definitely don't want them to get root bound. Also, we want to make sure that they're staked properly so that the movement back in the cart is not going to give them any problems. And third, maybe most importantly, we need to make sure that they're going to fit through the doorway into the garage or wherever we're going to store them during the evening.
Well, these apparently are doing very well because they are almost getting big enough that you won't be able to get them in the door. But this overall, this is really a great idea.
Well, thank you. And you know, it's really not that new of an idea. Homeowners have been doing this for a long, long time.
Huh.
Well, let me tell you, one pretty well-known homeowner, Louis XIV at the Palace of Versailles, he did this very thing. And he had an orange grove, or orange trees and citrus trees, which he would have out during the good months of the year. And when it would become wintertime, he would have them moved into a place called L'Orangerie, which was an inside building on his property.
Well, I bet they wish they had a few red wagons.
No doubt.